I was working at Mac since 1997, and I ended up leaving. Well, we ended up like getting bought out by Lauder. And in corporations, they run a little differently. And I just wanted to, I didn't like it anymore. I was losing that passion. So I wanted to jump ship, and then obviously COVID hit. I had to like be resilient, try to figure out, okay, am I doing this full time? It was hard finding a job. I was trying to find something to make ends meet, but also grow something. And sure enough, it became a full time because I had no choice, I had no job. So I had to put my all into this, but it was hard because how do you find clients during that time? Like there were some like, I don't care, just do the back of my car. And I'm like, okay, which parking lot? I had to do makeup and hair there in the back in the parking lot. Bless you. So sure enough, yeah, you just have to be resilient and just figure out, okay, what do I need to do? But you can't, when it comes to business, if you really want it so bad, you need to figure out what's your end goal. What are you trying to achieve? Yeah, the money is great, but you need to write down on, sometimes it's better if you had a piece of paper and just write things down. Okay, I'm here. Where do I want to go? That way you could visually see where you're kind of going and seeing where you're going to kind of move along that path, right?
Yeah. So with that said,
Yeah.
what is one thing you wish you knew before you started your business?
What's the one
Thing that you wish you knew before you started your business?
you have to be around the right people. I find that when I wanted to grow things, some people were very quick to like, why are you doing that? And then they just shut you down, or you start getting opinions. And that's okay to get opinions, but don't, if you really believe in something, you have to start to believe, you have to believe in something and move forward with it. Right? Yeah. So, in retrospect, be mindful with who you hang out with. And sometimes some people are great for that moment. They don't have to be there for the whole journey or the whole haul. Just kind of take things in stride, but be mindful because it's like energy. You start, if you feel like a glummy negative energy, that'll affect you somehow, right? But you gotta be aware of that and know how to be around the right energy to help you grow,
Of course.
right?